Here's what a day in the life as a film student looks like. After hitting snooze a couple of times, I roll out of bed. I get a wash, brush my teeth, kettle on, brekkie sorted, brain now engaged.
Shit, I'm late.
Sort of.
It's chucking it down.
Off to campus in the rain again. But I'm driving, so I can't complain.
So guys, I've got a busy day ahead of me today. I've got 2 minutes to get to my camera and lighting session, so best be quick.
LMA has just built a brand new film studio. Cameras, lights, equipment, everywhere. It's basically Disneyland for film students.
I best get onto my editing lesson.
This is where I get my ideas out of my head and into the real world. Quick lunch with the lads, have a little chat, and then I'm back to class.
Now it's time for script class. This is right up my street.
As a filmmaker, I love coming up with ideas and working on scripts. And the tutors, they're the best. They have loads of experience and we have loads of fun.
I'm taking some time just working on a passion project of mine, and it's turning out really, really well.
LMA might be finished for the day, but trust me, that's not the end of my day.
I'm directing a short film at the minute and the actors are just having a bit of a rehearsal, so I'm just here to have a bit of a debrief and see where they're at.
I'm not quite ready to knock out a full feature yet, but give me some time.
So guys, even after a busy day at LMA, I'm at Fact Cinema to do some networking with some other filmmakers, back to being behind the camera.